at Data Center World 2014 in Las Vegas with Larry Maynard, the CEO of Subzero Engineering. Larry, your team must be so excited for this year's event.
Yeah, Jackie, we really are. This year we've changed a lot. We've introduced an entire new containment door system, but more importantly, we patented and are releasing a fully NFPA compliant roof system that reacts to a smoke detector. Maybe if we could just show you it and have the team explain it to you.
I would love that. Let's go take a look. Charlie, I heard Subzero had a major door upgrade this year. Tell me about that.
We did. We made some major upgrades. First and foremost is that we've added an auto close and soft close to the doors. The reason being, after speaking with our clients, we've come to appreciate that if the door doesn't close, we lose the containment. The soft close feature also makes sure that the door closes completely and seals, and it doesn't allow for any racking of the rack itself or the door.
This is a smoke-activated fire suppression system for containment. In other words, it removes our containment roof system should there be a fire suppression event. So basically what happens, a smoke detector senses that there's a fire, and watch what happens.
Wow.
Exactly. You can see automatically it's being removed. I even like the red lights that tells you that something's happened.
It's essential that all data centers comply with the design and installation of systems associated with NFPA. Those systems are created and installed to protect the people and the products and benefit to the community. So NFPA standards are most essential and necessary to be complied with.
Well, we have Polar Express is what we call our system. It's an easy to deploy, easy to understand wireless monitoring system designed specifically for data centers. We have, as an example here, a wireless temperature sensor and a wireless humidity sensor attached to the intake side of an IT rack. They transmit their data wirelessly to a graphical user interface.
We make containment solutions we're completely rack agnostic, but understanding where you're going to get the best air integrity for your containment, it starts right at the server cabinet itself.
So they're absolutely integral to airflow management.
Absolutely.
Well, CFDs are a very useful tool that we utilize to be able for us to look inside of a data center and see kind of a virtual reality version of exactly what's going on with regards to airflow inside the data center.
We're here at Data Center World, and you guys have got the whole kit and caboodle here. There's all these products and technologies. Is that just to show people what a containment system would look like, or do you actually, at Subzero, provide all of these elements?
We do it all. Most of the products are manufactured, and the ones that we don't, like power, we depend on strategic partnerships to make sure that we can put these solutions together. This allows us to have turnkey offerings that we can give to the customer in a bundled service.
Here we have the booth that we designed for the Data Center World Trade Show. And we designed this from the ground up, really, so you can see the cabinets. And this is a live environment that allows us to check fit and finish. We can check how the product is going to look and how it's going to feel within the environment.
Todd, what's the advantage of having a Subzero engineering team come and do your install versus just a general contractor?
Because we're working in a high-risk and in a unique environment in the data center. And a lot of data center managers really worry about that environment because of the security issues. Well, we know those issues. And so we work right along with them, and we get in, we get out, and get it done the best way possible, best fit and finish, and we save you money along the way as well.
We've worked with Subzero. They've done a good job for us. It affects your bottom line on PUE. It reduces the amount of cooling you need. Overall, it's just something you have to have in this day and age with high density.
Containment systems for us allow us to be highly energy efficient so that we can pass along some of those savings to our customers that are leveraging our co-location infrastructure.
It's really important to the technology solutions part of CenturyLink to save money and energy is really important for all of us to save. So we really feel like containment is the next wave.
Well, airflow management is getting more and more important in Hong Kong. So I think we are putting more and more co-op containment projects in Hong Kong so that they don't have to bother about the hotspot, or they can do more energy saving in the data center, whatever it is a new build or retrofitting projects.
Our environment is really predicated upon the ability to cool a load within in that rack environment.
There's a lot of enhancements here within Subzero alone that have been pretty impressive. We've been able to work with them in the past and look forward to working with them some more in the future.
From our whole Subzero Engineering team here at Data Center World 2014 in Las Vegas, we're saying see you next year and stay cool.